today we're going to talk about how to post a new feature request in Project Insight. Perhaps you're a super user or an administrator or just someone who has found something that they find particularly helpful that would be a good feature or a different way to solve something in the application. You can bring that up to our design and development team. The best way to start is to go to the projectinsight.com website. From there, you can click on Resources and navigate to Help Center. From the Help and Support Center, you can also look through self-help resources, community groups, personalized support options. Um, you can get the link to our free office hours webinar each week and other self-help things. But for here, we'll just go to self-help resources. Again, have the Getting Started guide, video tutorials, our community, but the one we're after today is requesting a feature. You can go ahead and click on Request a Feature. Our recommendation is rather than starting one new, it's better to search for one that's like yours or pretty close because the more people that can jump onto one feature request and refine it together, the more comments and votes, uh, the more likely that is to get onto our development calendar. If everyone puts in their own individual requests, it's harder for those to become prioritized because they maybe only have one person's input and comments. So from here, take a look around. Maybe you're wanting to make a feature request about the task list. So you might hit search and then click on feature requests, and you can look through the different things that people have brought up about the task list. Um, Maybe you recognize one that's similar and you click on it to explore just a little bit. You could add some comments. This one is a little bit sparse, but you could add some details about what you'd like, or you could follow this request to see how it goes or if anybody else makes comments, or you could vote it up or vote it down um, to the uh, feature request cycle. Maybe you don't find something though that you'd like to vote on or follow. So instead, you'd like to create a new feature request. So from the feature request page, you can click on new feature. You can give it a subject line, be real specific about what you're after, some details about where this happens in the system, maybe even some screenshots, all the specifics of what you'd like to see different. And then uh, go ahead and click on where you'd like that to live. Feature request is the best one and hit submit. So once you've submitted that request, you can follow it by clicking on your picture and selecting My Activities, and it will show you my requests in um, that activity center. It will show you posts you've made in the community and requests that you're actually following as well. If we go back to the community, just to show you one more thing, below the feature requests, you can see all of the most recent requests that have been made. So you might like to spend some time here looking through what other people are asking to be added. Maybe you'd like to make some votes. Maybe you totally agree. Maybe it's something that everyone can work on together as a terrific idea. And you can even sort these by the ones with the most votes or the ones with the most comments. So someone suggested using work hours remaining to calculate resource loading, and that was completed. 14 votes came from that and 6 comments. And so our team prioritized it and it was done. And now Steve Hill's request has been executed. So maybe your request is one of those. Definitely consider following other requests or making extra comments or voting for other features. Um, if you would like to prioritize your request or expedite it, please reach out to your Project Insight representative who can talk to you about any fees or development costs or design costs that might be involved in prioritizing a request like that. Thank you very much.